The Logitech G Pro X is also great for other types of games, such as RPGs and adventure games. The headset's audio quality allows you to fully appreciate the game's music and sound effects, while the comfortable design makes it easy to wear for extended periods of time. One area where the Logitech G Pro X really shines is in its microphone performance. The detachable microphone is one of the best available on a gaming headset, and it does an excellent job of picking up your voice while filtering out background noise. This makes it ideal for online gaming sessions, where clear communication with teammates is crucial. Another great thing about the Logitech G Pro X is its versatility. The headset is compatible with a wide range of gaming platforms, including PC, Mac, Xbox One, PlayStation 4, and Nintendo Switch. This means you can use it with a variety of devices, depending on your gaming setup. In terms of its downsides, the Logitech G Pro X is not without its flaws. As mentioned earlier, the headset is on the heavier side, which may be uncomfortable for some users during extended gaming sessions. Additionally, the headset's price point may be a barrier for some gamers, especially those who are on a tighter budget. Another area where the Logitech G Pro X excels is in its ease of use. The headset is plug and play, meaning that it requires no additional software or drivers to get it up and running. This makes it easy to use straight out of the box, without having to spend time configuring settings or downloading drivers. The Logitech G Pro X also features a range of convenient controls, including a volume wheel and a microphone mute button located on the ear cup. The controls are easy to use and allow you to adjust the audio or mute the microphone without having to take your hands off the controller or keyboard. One thing to note about the Logitech G Pro X is that it is a wired headset. While this may be a turn-off for some gamers who prefer wireless headsets, it does offer some advantages. Wired headsets typically have lower latency and provide a more stable connection, which can be important for online gaming where every millisecond counts. Another potential downside of the Logitech G Pro X is that it lacks some of the features found on other high-end gaming headsets, such as RGB lighting or customizable ear cup plates. While these features may not be important to everyone, some gamers may be disappointed by the lack of customization options. Another advantage of the Logitech G Pro X is its build quality. The headset is made of high-quality materials that feel sturdy and durable. The ear cups and headband are designed to withstand regular use, while the detachable microphone is also made of sturdy materials. Additionally, the Logitech G Pro X has a removable cable, which makes it easy to replace if it gets damaged or if you want to switch to a longer or shorter cable. This is a convenient feature that can save you money in the long run if you need to replace the cable instead of the entire headset. One thing to keep in mind with the Logitech G Pro X is that it has a somewhat understated design. While this may be appealing to some gamers who prefer a minimalist look, others may find the lack of flashy colors or designs to be boring. However, this is ultimately a matter of personal preference. In terms of its customer support, Logitech has a good reputation for providing excellent customer service.